Okay, so we are on day 3 of dreaming, and we spoke about we're going to get excited about this. We spoke about the restoration of our bodies, of healing, sickness, and all kinds of stuff. And today, I want to talk to you about. For me, I think when I think about the restoration, one of the very first things that I cannot wait for is to see myself the way that God sees me. The way that my dad looks at me, I want to experience that. The stuff that goes on here, the stuff that I'm carrying around, the stuff that drives me insane, the troubles of this world that gets in my space, I cannot wait for a time where I can just walk up to him. I just want to put my head on his lap, and I want to feel his acceptance and be in a space where that is going to be what I feel and see about myself. This world is in our space the whole time, and this world keeps on telling us that we're not good enough, we don't achieve much, or we don't achieve enough, and we have to work harder at it, and we're our own people, and we make our own decisions, and that is such a messy space. And so I'm telling you, for me, one of the things that I cannot wait for is the space. Imagine the freedom. Imagine the peace. Imagine the torment that you are feeling perhaps right now about stuff that goes on, and imagine that just suddenly away. Can you imagine a world where the things that occupies your mind? So, for example, my personality struggles with injustice. But imagine a space where I wouldn't have to deal with that. There's not going to be people in traffic that tries to cut you off and give you a bad morning. There's not going to be the news bulletin and politicians that are stealing and plundering, and there's not going to be rape and murder. It's not going to be stuff that you have to deal with. You're going to have to be sad about the injustices of the stuff that goes on. Can you begin to imagine, just as a little child perhaps, just start dreaming about a space like that, where we do not have to worry about that? Today I want you to just take a moment and go look to that space. Start dreaming about that. What is it going to be like? Because if we can dream in our corporate spaces about the stuff that we want, and I'm dreaming about a new house or a new pair of shoes or whatever it is that you're dreaming of, why on earth can we not do this? Why can we not go to a space where I'm saying, I am dreaming about that day when all of the stuff in my mind is going to be gone. It's going to be replaced with just, I don't know what, but it's going to be so amazing. So today I want to encourage you with that. Go and find a space and just sit for a moment and just think about that day when God is looking at you. My beloved son, my beloved daughter, here, look at what I see in you.